You are here because you know something is missing. You know the traditional business curriculum feels incomplete. Welcome to Untaught Metrics. But then why Untaught Metrics and another channel? It's because the most critical skills for modern business, the integrated data model, the predictive logic, the driver-based insights, these are conspicuously untaught. The MBA students, supposedly masters of business processes, are being taught components in silos. They study history and theory, but they are rarely, if ever, immersed in the real, messy world of a live business simulation. This gap is unacceptable, and we are here to close it in a first-of-its-kind endeavor. So, who is this for? It's for the aspiring MBA graduate who needs to visualize a business as a single living body. And it's for the SMEs, the entrepreneur tired of mistaking basic accounting software for a strategic advantage. It's time to move out of the transactional applications and move incrementally toward a comprehensive, affordable MIS reporting suite that guides you, that propels their business towards accruing the benefits of scale, planning, and real-time monitoring of customer behavior. For centuries, we've debated whether management is an art or a science. The debate is pointless. The simple, non-debatable fact is, they coexist. Art is the medium of manifestation. Science is the structural foundation. Look at the ancient architecture of India, the temples, the enduring marvels. The Vedas describe the Vishwakarmas as masters of music, chemistry, geology, and mathematics, a complete art-science mix. That combination creates structures that last time immemorial. The problem with MBA? Well, the modern MBA programs have drifted too far into the art, the conferences, the theories, the guest lectures. Meanwhile, many SMEs remain content with merely accounting for their actions. Gone are the days when simulation was hard. Computing power has been accessible for a decade. The simple necessity is this: learn business by doing it. Like a physicist, like a pilot, like those ancient Vishwakarmas. Learn by doing. Simulation is the key. The MBA curriculum also risks irrelevance, because the participant experience is inadequate. You need the visualization skills to scan business processes as a single entity, to detect challenges and plan in advance. Our process is simple. Using the power of simulation, we will create a running business, inject daily transactions, implement contemporary challenges, and then showcase the real-world solutions using integrated data models, business logic, third-party economic indicators, and live data flow. Our simulation company will be called Sphernova, Laptop Sales Studio. There is a disclaimer too. If Sphernova resembles any existing business name, it is purely a coincidence, and the name can be changed if reported. We use it simply for a unique identity. Sphernova is a specialized hybrid business, offering curated laptop packages as merchandising and integrated training services. We cover everything: tax and finance, CRM, HRM, inventory, and the crucial use of economic indicators for forecasting. We would be equipping future managers with the technological and analytical tools needed for immediate corporate readiness. So, where do we begin with? We will start with the primary action first, that is, sales. In every organization, sales acts as the central hub. When a sale is made, it triggers a cascade of activities across various functions. For instance, in the product or service life cycle, a confirmed sale may initiate production or service delivery. In the customer life cycle, it could lead to customer onboarding and support. Operational support functions like HRM and payroll are activated to ensure the necessary resources are available. Financial backbone functions, including accounting and financial planning, are engaged to record revenue and update forecasts. Consider our case of a retailer of customized laptop and training service provider, when managed through an integrated ERP with CRM. This integration allows customer account records to be created and maintained in the CRM system, automatically syncing with ERP for recording sales, maintaining logistics, and billing. This seamless flow ensured that all functions in the sales, finance, logistics, forecasting, planning, and other modules are aligned and operating based on real-time data. So far, we've talked about simulation and the power of visualizing the real world. But how do you, the aspiring consultant, the MBA student, the entrepreneur, recognize that you need these tools? Let's face a basic reality check. Every one of you deals with the core 3 financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow. Recruiters expect them. Entrepreneurs rely on them. But the modern market demands more. It requires a daily transaction-based financial suite. It needs robust period control logic, the ability to seamlessly aggregate and disaggregate data for monthly, quarterly, and annual reporting, crucial for tax, pricing, and trend identification. Now ask yourself, if you are a student, are you truly practicing with an end-to-end model that perfectly mimics this transaction-to-period reporting lifecycle? And if you are an SME, do you possess that kind of granular, flexible reporting suite right now? If you have not missed, the current Microsoft Excel clip has scratched the surface of this problem. The Excel model, created entirely without macros, shows exactly how daily journal entries can be processed to instantly yield accurate, period-specific income statements and balance sheets. Do note, this file simply highlights the need of period control logic. The Excel model is not a production version but merely represents the real-world decision-making requirement complexity. This simple file will expose the absolute necessity of robust financial data flow and the weakness of half-baked truth. Don't miss our next video on sales module. We start building your foundation next time right here on Untaught Metrics.